All right, so we got a new microphone, new preamp. The Neumann's wonderful. It's natural.
It's a U87 and I love it. I've heard so much about it over the years, and I had much lesser mic before that sounded pretty good, but there's no comparison now. And this Avalon preamp as well, which takes a little bit of learning. It's a professional piece of equipment, and it's one thing being a pro voice actor, but another thing being an engineer. So I'm still learning.
So it's great having your own room, and it's nice having your own room in your own place.
It is.
Yeah.
It's wonderful not having to go somewhere to rent a recording studio. Is just terribly expensive. And I actually looked at that when I first moved to San Diego. And there's really not one nearby. And most of those studios are set up for bands and not voice actors. So they really don't have a nice small ISO booth that you can go into, and they don't work very often, it seems, because a lot of them are closed, during the day, and the garage bands come out at night and that type of thing. So I was really having a trouble finding a place to work if I needed to. Now I don't have to worry about it anymore.
No, you got your own place, so it's great. So we're inside the room now, and you can see our foam panels on the door. The door is closed. And then we have our carbon panels here to the side. We have 3 of them at 3 different depths. We'll talk about that in a video so you can get an idea of that. And then, of course, we all know that there's our 3 diffuser panels, or carbon panels, and our foam is on the ceiling. And then, of course, I'm a big fan of quadratic diffusion in vocal rooms. And this is all cherry wood, and then our carbon panels on the other side. You can see, and up to the ceiling. And then, of course, personalize it. If you want some nice gear. And she's just got a little chair here that she sits. And then a little work area over here. It's nice. Personalize it. You gotta work in here.
We're less than 10 blocks away from the local fire department. So amazingly, right now in the background, I'm not hearing fire trucks, but sometimes you hear them 3, 4, or 5 at a time. Police cars, because we're downtown and there's just so much activity, and they're actually going out of downtown for the most part, but they're all kind of stationed right here. So I found that I can come in here at any time of the day. Of course, at certain times it's quieter, much quieter. So my dB level goes down very, very low in here, and everything is wonderful. I like to record late at night, but even in the middle of the day, I've been able to do it. I think the sound is amazing. One of the things I found about recording and playing back and listen to it very carefully, I hear things in my voice that I did not know were there. This is not something that I can hear when I'm speaking to you. But in playback, it's amazing how I sound. And it picks up every little sound. Of course, as a voice actor, you have to be very careful about mouth noise. It's amazing about how much mouth noise that you get in a recording. So I'm very conscious of everything I do now. And it's actually helped me to stand and pose myself a little bit differently, approach the microphone a little bit differently. The sounds are just, it's incredible. Even when you just walk into the booth and close the door, everything that you can hear around you, it's like the sounds of silence. I feel so much more productive. And I feel like I'm getting projects done a little bit faster.
Oh, nice.
This way, I look forward to coming into this room, believe it or not. It's a very peaceful, or I like to joke, it's a very zen atmosphere. And I enjoy just being in here. So I'm driven to be more productive, I think. And that's going to be great throughout my career.
thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah, I enjoy coming down to San Diego from LA and getting out of the crazy part of LA. And I probably made 5, 6, 7 trips down here to get everything going, and finally finished, and she can use it now and enjoy. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's really because it makes such good coffee.
Well, it's got something to do with it. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dennis.
Bye-bye.